Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa.
Sarah, may I have a question in the Anutika?
Nutika, okay.
Anutika.
Which part?
In the last paragraph, Yati Sandika do Durang Napati. So the Napati is a passive voice. So what is the real subject for the Napati?
What? Sorry, okay. Labadit?
Yes, Napati is a passive voice, right?
Yes, passive voice.
That's to be obtained by something or something. But what is the real subject there?
You can have someone there. We need to take that subject. Sadika Dura Labati. You someone, no, not you here. Sadika Do. You have to take someone.
And also the following Yata Gina Dura Nabadi. What means Akka?
Jiti Agana Akena Dura Labadi.
Akka means generally we say talk, right?
Akena here is the beginning.
In the beginning.
Jiti Agena Dura Labadi. So there are two reasons. Jiti Sadika Do Dura Labadi. Jiti Akena Dura Labadi. Akena here Akka referred to the previous one. Jiti Akena Dura Labadi. Previous one.
How about if I put the Aki is also for the so Yati there?
Where?
So in the beginning, Yati Sandika do Aki Nam Dura Napadi Yalakya.
Again, no. Here two part. Yedi Sadika do Dura Labadi. No, Yedi Sadika do. If you say Yedi Sadika do Dura Labadi, it's the same. It will be the same.
Yes.
Yeah, the question the asked by someone. Someone asked the question here. Because here Jordana Manasika Dawa, someone have a question. That's why the Upadaya, the commentator said Upadaya. So Sadika Dura Labadi Yeti Agena Dura Labadi. Even though by comparing Dura and Sadika, even though we can classify Sadika pro Dura pro Sadika, if someone asks, how about the Sadika? Can we derive Sadika pro Dura? Someone ask such kind of question. So the commentator denies, no, he said Upadaya Dura Doja Sadika Nasaka Udridon. So Sadika cannot be derived from Dura also, he said like that.
Yes, I'm just wondering in the first what is the real subject there?
Real subject, someone, we have to take someone there.
Is by you.
Yes, like the questioner, the one who said this. The one who asked this question. The one who asked the question.
So that means Aka is also at the beginning.
Yes, Akina, the here previous, referred to the previous Aka.
Okay.
Aka, when we say Aka, we refer to the former one, the beginning one.
I see. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Let's conclude the idea of Atthakatha here. So Upadaya Paraya Dura Doja Sadika Nasaka Udridon. By comparing Dura Sadika, we have to take Dura Sadika. To take Sadika, we need to compare with the Dura. To take Dura, we need to compare with the Sadika. So that's why we cannot derive the Sadika from the Dura. Dosa Sagata, the Loba Sagata, Dosa Sagataya. Loba Sagata, Dosa Sagataya Dure. We cannot have Sadika from the Dura. Then Nasa Saka besides Nasaka, it is also the undesirable, disagreeable. Loba Sagadaya, Dosa Sagada Dure. Dosa Sagada, Loba Sagadaya Sadike. So because Akaranada, there is no reason. There is no reason for the Dosa Sagada to be Sadika with Loba Sagada. Tasama Wisabagata Beda Akedwa Napwadadi. So Wisabagata Beda Akedwa Napwadadi. We need to take only Wisabagata Beda Akedwa. Without taking Wisabagata, we cannot classify. So Akedwa Napwadadi mean here Beda Akeda Napwadadi without taking without taking Wisabagata. Without taking Wisabagata here. For example, Wisabagata, Loba Sagada, Edosa Sagada. Loba Sagada, Edosa Sagada. They are both, Agusla. So according to this, no. Here we say, Jati Adivasena, paragraph 30. We say Wisabagata. Wisasatha, we will say Wisabagata. Wisabagata. How about the Loba Sagada, Edosa Sagada? Loba Sagada, Vedana, Dosa Sagada, Vedana. They are both Akusla or they belong to Akusla. So they should be Sabhaga. They should be Sabhaga. But in Loba Sagada, we do have the Siddhida, Samyoda, Dikda, Vibhuda, Mechada, Niyada, Mechana, Aniyada, Kapatitika, Akapatitika, Asankarika, Sasankarika. They have many Sabhaga there. So Loba Sagada and Dosa Sagada, even though they both are Akusla, they are not Sabhaga. A Dosa Sahagada Vedana, you have the Niyada, Aniyada, Asankarika, Sasankarika, a Dosa Sagada. So those are Sabhaga. Loba Sagada and Dosa Sagada are not Sabhaga. These two are with Sabhaga. But if we consider these two are Akusla, they must be Sabhaga. But no, we do not take these two as Sabhaga. They are Vispaga even though they are both Akusala. Because the Lobha Sagada can be analyzed into many. Those analyses of the many are Sabaga. A Dosa Sagada Vedana also can be subdivided, can be the classified again. Those classifications are Sabaga. So Lobha Sagada, Dosa Sagada are not Sabaga. So here Visabhagada Veda Akidwa Nabodidi. So we need to take only Sabhaga. We need to take here Visabhagada. We need to Visabhagada Veda Akidwa Nabodidi. Visabhagada Veda Akidwa Nabodidi. So we how to say? We have to classify here only with Bhaga of each other. Or with Bhaga of each other. They are with Bhaga. Lobha Sagada, Dosa Sagadas are with Bhaga. So we need to take such question. This one here. Sabhaga Vyapakata Durata Durataya. Durata, a state of Dura, cannot suffuse, cannot spread, cannot suffuse. It all Sabhaga. Durata cannot suffuse it all Sabhaga. Because they are the here Durata here, Lobha Sagada, Dosa Sagada, these two. Dosa Sagada is Durata. This Dosa Sagada, which is Dura, cannot suffuse it all Sabhaga. See? Dosa Sagada cannot suffuse it all Sabhaga. Because Dosa Sagada and Lobha Sagada are not Sabhaga. They are with Sabhaga. That's why Dosa Sagada here, which is Dura, cannot suffuse it all Sabhaga. That's why we cannot we cannot derive Sadika pro Dura.
Hi, Sayadaw.
Uh-huh.
What is the case of the word Durataya, Sayadaw?
Durata here, Durata refers to Dosa Sagada. You compare to Lobha Sagada Vedana, Dosa Sagada Vedana.
Yes.
So Ubadaya, by comparing these two, we had to classify what is Dura, what is Sadika. So compared to Dosa the Lobha Dosa Sagada, if we compare to Lobha Sagada, it is Dura because it is Uzbaga. Is it? But here Durata, this Dura, Dosa Sagada, this Dura cannot suffuse it all, you know, all the cannot suffuse a both Lobha Sagada, Dosa Sagada. That means not Sabhaga.
Yeah, Sayadaw. My question is that Durataya is genitive case, Sayadaw?
Dative case.
Dative case.
Of the Dura.
Of the Dura is a genitive case, It's it's yeah.
Oh yes, Chati.
Yes.
Date is Jadoti, is it?
Yes.
Oh yes.
Okay, thank you.
Of the state of Dura, it cannot suffuse in all the Sabhaga. That's why Dura do Sadiko Dharana Nasaka Kadon, we cannot derive Sadika from the Dura. That means we cannot derive Lobha Sagada, Dosa Sagada. Dosa Sagada, which is Dura, as it cannot suffuse in all Sabhaga. So another Lobha Sagada cannot be classified as Sadika. You see, we come back again, you know, Lobha Sagada, Dosa Sagada, Lobha Sagada. So Lobha Sagada cannot the cannot be classified as sadika. So the sadika, because this dura cannot suffuse a all sabaka. So he referred to that one. He confirmed, you know, he confirmed the sadika cannot be taken, cannot be derived from dura. He just confirmed that. Here, nahi dosa sagada agusla sabaka sababya bedo bodidi. He gave nahi. So dosa sagada agusla sabaka sababya bedo na bodidi. As I told you just now, loba sahagada cannot suffuse with all akusla as sabaka. See? So dosa sagada, loba sagada, even though they are both agusla. No, they are agusla sabaka, we can say, but dosa sagada cannot suffuse with loba sagada as sabaka. So that means dosa sagada, loba sagadas are not sabaka. They are with sabaka. See? So the dosa sagada, which is dura pro loba sagada, cannot suffuse a all agusla, the agusla dhamma. So it can suffuse a only dosa sagada. So dosa with dosa suffuse a dosa only. Dosa cannot suffuse a all agusla. So dosa is sadika. You see, dosa is sadika. Dosa sagada, a loba sagada is dura. So he just confirmed the previous statement, you know. He just confirmed previous statements. This Bhagata Panna Beda Adog Katan Sabhagata Panna. The conclusion coming here. But what iti durato satiko dharana kato nasaka. You need to add the conclusion there, you know. So nahi dosa sagada agusla sabaga sabba byabedo abodati iti thus durato produra sadiko dharana dirabre sadika katon to do nasaka. So you need to add durato sadiko dharana katon nasaka. Conclude that is the conclusion of the previous statement. See, previous statement. The reason here why we cannot classify loba sahagada as sadika compared to another loba sahagada. So we say loba sahagada, dosa sahagada, loba sahagada. So the dosa sahagada cannot confuse the or akusala. So loba sahagada, we cannot compare the loba sahagada. So see here as sandika here compared to the dosa sagada, because we cannot classify the sadika, the loba sagada as sadika there. The sabhagata panna beda ato gada katoa bodadi sabhagata panna beda ato gada katoa. Where we classify, where it is classified, it should be classified with the sabhaga. Sabhaga is adogda, the pertinent to the sabhaga. This is the opposite of sabhaga. The opposite of sabhaga. So for example, loba sahagada. In loba sahagada, you have titikita samyuda, titikita unyuda, mechada niyada, aniyada, asankarika, sasankarika. All these classifications are included in loba sahagada. Sabhagada beda adogada katoa bodadi. Adogada pertinent to the sabhaga. So how to translate this one? Sabhagata state of sabhaga beta, how to say beta? Beta, the beta
Classifications, you know.
classification. Classification adogada kato body is pertinent how to say adogada kato body. Making is a bhaga, is it? The classification. The taking is a bhaga or making is bhaga. Adogada, you add to the bhaga. Adogada, the cut adogada cut or making the other bhaga.
I think Anto Gadang should modify the Bedang, you know.
Yes, yes.
So what it means is having made the classification included, which means having included the classification,
Is a bhaga.
then the Sabhaga exists.
Mm-hmm. So the meaning is there, you know, just now, just I told you just now. Lobasagada, the is Sabaga with Titigida Sambuda, Titigida Wibuda, Mechadaniada, Mechadania Aniada, Kabatitika, Akabatitika, the Asankarika, Sasankarika, they are Sabaga there, you see. So all these Baga were all these Bagas are making included the Loba Sagada. See? In the case of Dosa Sagada also the same. Dosa Sagada, we say Dosa Sagada. So all the Nieda, Mechada Nieda, Mechada Anieda, Asankarika, Sasankarika, those classifications are included in the Sabaga of the Dosa Sagada. Here, these classifications also are included in the Sabaga or Loba Sagada. Sabaga Dabana Beda, Puna Beda, Adog Kadanga Dwa Bodidi, Wisabaga, Piabakata, Sadika Daya of the Sadika, Wisabaga Piagada, Wisabaga Piabaka. See? Wisabaga Piabaka. What does it mean? Wispaga Piagada. Piagada, Wispaga Piagada.
So what it means is that because of the so what it means is that because the so after having made the classification included, then the state of the same division exists. So therefore, it is able to draw out Dura from Santika.
Piabaka here, supposing. Piabaka, Wispaga Piagada, Piabaka.
Yes, because now we have the different divisions because of that state of the different divisions. Now they have the different divisions. Yeah. So from my understanding is, for example, like we talk about akusala, right? So when in akusala we do the classification into dosa sagata and loba sagata. So now we do the classification, and because of that classification, then we have the loba will be close to loba. So that's what it means by saying the state of the same division exists. So we have loba close to loba. So that because of that, now we have the different divisions in there. So we have loba and dosa. So that is the reason why we can draw out dura from santika there. So we say that dosa is far from lobha. So that's what it means. That's how I understand this sentence. You know.
Yeah, yes. Because draw dura pro, dura pro sadika. Is it?
Yes, you know.
So dura is sadika should not be spaka. This should be with spaka. Is it? Dura is sadika.
Yes. So now they become Now they become visabaga. Yeah.
Vispaka dura. Sadika the sadika vispaka dura should be derived pro sadika. Is it? Vispaka dura should be derived pro sadika. Vispaka dura.
Yeah, what it means is that, right, you know, because now we do the classification there. So we have the visabaga in there. So it's like the state of visabaga suffuses in that, the whole thing. So now we have visabaga. And because we have visabaga, so we can draw out dura from santika.
So sabaga is dura, sabaga is sadika, sabaga is sadika, sabaga is dura. The akusla hi loba sagda di sapa vispaga vyabaki vika akusla hi. Vispaga vyabakata sadikataya, the sadikata. Vispaga vyabakata sadikataya. Yeah. Yeah, there is a he akusla he why. He kasama sadikato durobdaranakato saka. Why sadika dura can be derived from sadika here. So kasma, we have kasma. So he here yasma akuslata or the state or akusla. Loba sagadadi sabba with sabaga vyapika. Akusla, the or state or akusla can suffuse a all with baga. So akusla, you know, when we say akusla can suffuse a loba sagada dosa, or you say when we say akusla can suffuse all akusla. But when we say loba sagada, that cannot suffuse, or dosa sagada, that cannot suffuse all akusla. But when we say akusla, that can suffuse all loba sagada, dosa sagada. So akusla da loba sagada d here, loba sagada, dosa sagada, sabba vispaga bya, sabba vispaga. So loba sagada, dosa sagada are vispaga. But if you say akusla, that akusla can suffuse both loba sagada, dosa sagada. That are vispaga. That's why here nadura dosa dika odri tapan. He make conclusion. Nasabaga do nadura do sadika odritaba. Sadika should not be derived pro dura. So sadika cannot be derived pro dura. The conclusion. Dura can be derived pro sadika. Why sadika cannot be derived pro dura? Yeah. Why sadika cannot be derived pro dura? Because a state of dura cannot suffuse a all sabaga. That is the reason. Then dura can be derived from sadika because sadika can suffuse a all. Sadika constitutes a all sabaga, sorry. Sadika constitutes a all sabaga. That is the reason. So commentator give two statements. Sadika cannot be derived from Dura, but Dura can be derived from Sadika. So according to the statement of commentator, so the first statement, Sadika cannot be derived from Dura because a state of Dura cannot suppose a all sabaga. That is the reason. A Dura can be derived from Sadika because Sadika can suppose a all the sabaga. The two reasons given there. So the first one, you see, Sadika cannot be derived from Dura as the example given here. Loba Sakada is far from Dosa Sagada. The Loba Sagada, the Loba Sagada is far from Dosa Sagada. And Loba Sagada, that very Loba Sagada is near to Loba Sagada. So in this case, we cannot classify like this because the Dura cannot suppose a all sabaga. That is the reason. The second one, Dura can be derived from Sadika. The example Loba e dosa, you know, Loba e dosa. So Loba here, Loba, for example, Loba can suppose a all kinds of classification of Loba Sagada. All kinds of classification refers to, you know, Sabyoda, Vibyoda, Digda, Sambyoda, Digda, Vibyoda, all those, the Sabaga, all those Sabaga. So the Sadika, the Dosa, Loba Sagada, which is Sadika, constitutes a all Sabaga. That's why we could take the Dosa as Dura, compare it to with the Sadika, which is Loba Sagada. You got it?
So Sayadaw, could you please translate the last sentence again? Akusalata hi loba sahagata disa. Sorry. Loba sahagata di sabba visabaga.
So Loba Sagada D here, Loba Sagada Adi. And so Loba Sagada, Dosa Sagada. See? A Loba Sagada also again you classify Sabyoda, Ubyoda, Mechada Nieda, Mechada Anieda, Kapatitika, Akapatitika, Asankarika, Sasankarika. Then Loba Sagada, a Dosa Sagada with Baga. So with the here Loba Sagada di Sapa with Baga Biapika suppose a all with Baga. So Agusla, you know. So Loba Sagada, Dosa Sagada, Dosa Sagada belong to Agusla. That's why this Agusla can cover all Loba Sagada, Dosa Sagada, which are with Baga. Loba Sagada, Dosa Sagada with Baga. But the way we say Agusla, the Agusla can cover both, you know, can cover both. The center here. Aguslata, a state of Agusla can suppose a all with Baga or Loba Sagada, a Dosa Sagada. That is the translation. You got you get the translation?
Hi, Sayadaw. I have a question about the word Visabhaga Pakata, right? So okay, maybe that word is a little bit complicated, but so if we go to the, well, it's also the same thing. Okay, So if we divide that word out, Wisabaga ya pakata, then we have Wisabaga plus yakata, and then we have the ba suffix, the bawa suffix, and we have the a suffix, which is the panjami. Okay, but so my question is
which
about
paragraph? Which paragraph?
It's last paragraph. It's almost the
This is
second last sentence.
akusala dahi. This sentence.
No, it's the sabagata panabedang andagadang katoa pagwatati ti wisabagap ya katata. Yes, so the word is wisabagap ya katata. Right? Then we have the a suffix, that is the vipatti, that is the panjami vipatti, and then we have the ta, which is the bawa suffix, and then we have the wisabaga, and then yapaka. Yes. So basically we have the word wisabaga yapaka. What kind of samasa is that, Sayadaw?
Wispagasa Pyabaka.
Wisabagasa.
Wispagasa Pyagada.
So it's the
Pyabaka. No, Wispagasa Pyabaka. Chati Tapurisa.
Chati Tapurisa.
Chati Tapurisa.
Chati Tapurisa.
Pyabaka Apyabaka. Here Pyabaka Wispaka Pyabaka.
But if we go to the previous sentence, right? Just the sentence in the front. Nahido sasahagata akusala sabagang sapang yabeto. Right? But what?
Yabeto.
Yes, rabeto. So, but then here, I mean the verb is, I mean this is gerund, but the verb is yabeti. Right? Yabeti here. It's so, and then when it becomes the noun, it becomes pyapaka.
Pyapaka, this is tatita. No, this is tatita. No, not kita here, tatita. Pyapaka. So pyapeti, pyapetwa, that is just verb. But here, pyapaka, ka here is the suffix ka. The suffix ka, pyapaka, you have pyapaka, tatita.
Yes. So we translate it as the state of suffusing of the different division. But then if we go up there, then what it's saying is that the dosa sahagata, so having suffusing all divisions of akusala. So the dosa sahagata suffuses all the division of akusala.
Akusala sabhaga here. Akusala sabhaga refer to lobha sagada. The akusala sabhaga.
No,
the akusala sabhaga with akusala. Sabba here, akusala sabhaga sabba. Sabba referred to the lobha sagada cheda. Lobha sagada, etc. You know. Yeah, akusala sabhaga sabba. Sabba lobha sagada. The lobha sagada. The classification of all lobha sagada sabba here. Classification of all lobha sagada like sabyuda, ubyuda, mechada, niyada, mechada, aniyada, asankarika, sasankarika. Sabba referred to the all classification of lobha sagada, which is sabhaga with akusala here. Akusala sabhaga sabba.
Yes, I understand. So, but in that sentence, the akusala sabbagang sabang is the object of the gerund yabeto. But if that's the case, yes. But if that's the case, then we go down to this samasa again. Wisabaga pyakata. Then that is the jati tapurisa. Jati tapurisa. But then in there, sabaga Visabhaga has to be understood as the Kamma, right?
Huh? Or the Kama Sadhana, you mean?
No, I mean, so here is the Jatita Purisa, but the Visabhaga, well, because, okay, so Jatita Purisa, so we have to make the Vikas and then like a Visabhaga.
I see.
Yeah. So you see,
what you mean, I see. So you see, Kasane Sabba Pyapidwa. Sabba Pyapidwa is Sabba Pyapidwa, Visabhaga Pyapaka, Visabhaga also should be the Dutiya Tapurisa. You want to say so?
I think it's the Jati, but it has to have in the sense of Kamma. So something is suffusing it.
Suffusing right? Or Visabhaga, a suffusing Visabhaga. What are the difference between these two?
Because Visabhaga in this case are basically, you know, if we go back to the previous sentence, then they are just similar to the Akusala Sabhaga, right?
Yes,
so,
yes.
So the dosa Sahagata suffuses all of those Visabhaga.
That's
right?
not suffuse.
Yeah.
Dosa Sahagata does not suffuse.
Yes. So down here, yeah. So down here, something is suffusing those Visabhaga.
But we have Napwadati here, you know. We have bird there, Napwadati. That's why here the object of Vyabhidwa is the Sabba is the object of Vyabhidwa. But here we have no birth. In the case of Visabhaga Vyabhaka, no birth there. That's why Visabhaga should be here, Chatti Tapurisa instead of the Dutiya Tapurisa. So in the case of Sabba Vyabhidwa Napwadati, there was the simple, how to say sentence, the simple sentence. That's why Vyabhidwa, the should have the object there. But here it's not like that. The suffusive of Visabhaga. The Sadika as the has Sadika has the suffusive of Visabhaga. Sadika here, you know, Loba Sagada. Loba Sagada, you know, in Loba Sagada you have Didikita, Samvira, Dikta, Uda, those classification. So they are Sadika, you know. But those Sadika are suffusing of Visabhaga. That means Didikita, Samvira, Dikta, Uda are no Sabhaga. But they are Sadika, Visabhaga. Sadika Visabhaga. Loba Sagada, all the other are Sadika, but they have Visabhaga there. Even they have Visabhaga, they are Sandika. In Loba Sagada, you have Didikita, Samyuda, Dikita, Vibhuda, all those. So those are Visabhaga. Even though they are Visabhaga, they are Sandika.
Yeah.
That's why when we say Loba Sagada is near to Loba Sagada, Sadika. When we say Loba Sagada, we refer to all those classifications. So the classification may be different there with Bhaga, but they are still Sadika. Their Sadika can suffuse with Bhaga there. You know?
Yeah.
With Bhaga Vyagada, that's Sadika Daya.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Sayadaw.
But actually, you know, this is not actually the commentary itself is clear already. It's clear already. But to make more clear, that means to make more confused. To make more clear, Muladika explained in many ways. But at last, he confirmed, you know, the Sadika cannot be derived from Dura, but only Dura can be derived from Sadika. So here, Aguslata, Lobasagada. So we need to know here, Bhyavaka, Abhyavaka, the with Sabaga, we need to be clear with that. With Sabaga, Loba, Dosa, with Sabaga. So in the Loba also, the Sabyoda, Vibyoda, that is also with Sabaga. That we classify that. Loba, Didikita Sambyuda, Vedana is far from Didikita Vibyoda Vedana. We classify according to commentary. Didikita Sambyuda is near to Didikita Sambyuda, but it is far from Didikita Vibyoda. We classify like that. So Loba Sagada, Dosa Sagada, these two are Visapaka. There, the Akusla can substitute all the Visapaka, you know, Loba Sagada, Dosa Sagada, Akusla, because it is the main Akusla. So Loba Sagada, Dosa Sagada are Visapaka. So Loba Sagada also we have classification. Those classifications are Sandika, but they are Visapaka. Even though they are Visapaka, they are Sandika. It also Sagada Vedana also the same. Dosa Sagada Vedana they have Visapaka there. But those Visapakas are Sadika. Even though they are Visapaka, they are Sadika. So the Dura cannot excuse all Sapaka. That's why we do not the Te Sadika for the Dura. Because Sadika should be Sapaka, you know. If not Sapaka, we cannot derive from it. They should be Sapaka. That's why we can take only Dura pro Sadika. We can take Dura, we can take only Dura pro Sadika, not Sadika pro Dura. Okay, and then you stay confused with that. Please review again. Now we go to Sanya Khanda. Sanya Khanda. Sanya Khanda, this is we go to Abhidhamma Sanya Khanda. Tata Kadamo Sanya Khando. See? These Nama Khanda, the classification of matter aggregates are not much different. But let's see how the Buddha classified the Sanya Khanda according with Suttada method. So the Suttada method, you know, all the aggregates are classified into 11 parts. Tata Kadamo Sanya Khando, Yakaji Sanya. So these are the same, you know. The same, Yakaji Sanya, because Yakaji Vedana, Yakaji Sanya, Sanya is the feminine. Yakaji Sanya, Didanagana Pajupana, Ajadawa, Bhaidawa, Olarika Sukumawa, Hinawa, Benidawa. We have here Yadure Sadikiwa. We have another sentence here, different sentence for the former one. Yadure Sadikiwa. So the explanation also the same here. Why the Buddha make another sentence which is different from the previous sentences. So Ajata can be classified as Dura Sandika. Veda also can be classified as Dura Sandika. Because of that, Dura Sandika, the Ajata Veda, Bo Ajata Veda again can be classified as Dura Sandika. That's why the Buddha made another sentence here, Yadure Sadikewa. So if the Buddha does not make Yadure Sandikewa, Yadure Sandikewa, so the Ajata, we do not know Ajata can be classified as Dura Sadika. Bheda also can be classified as Dura Sadika. So in order to classify Ajada Bheda as Dura Sadika, so here another sentence which are Yadure Sadikewa is stated here. It Tedekaja Abisanyu Hitowa Abisakipitowa Ayawajidi Sanya Karo the say. So we are not going to discuss anything about this. Then we go to Tatakadama Sanya Atida. The first perception. What is the first perception? Yasanya Atida Niroda Wigada Uprinata Atagada Abatangada Upajitwa Wigada Atida Sena Sankida. Then here the enumeration of the Sanya perception are given here. Jaku Sapa Saja Sanya, Soda Sapa Saja Sanya, Kana Sapa Saja Sanya, Jiwa Sapa Saja Sanya, Kaya Sapa Saja Sanya, Mano Sapa Saja Sanya. 6 kinds of perceptions are enumerated here. So as Vedana, we have 3 kinds of Vedana, Sukha, Dukkha, Adukkha, Sukha. But we will come to the Sanya. So the Sanya, we have the 6 kinds of Sanya. Each Sanya also will be are classified into 11 portions. For example, Jaku Sapasaja Sanya. This Sanya will be classified Atita, Anagada, Bajupana, Ajada, Bheda, Orarika, Sukuma, Hina, Panita, Dura, Sadika. So we're classifying, will be part or 11 kinds. So each Sanya here, you have the many kinds of Sanya. So 11 multiplied by 6, then you have the enumeration of the Sanya there. So these 6 Sanya are not difficult. The translation also very easy, you know. Perception, bono, eye contact, jaku, eye, sapasa, contact, ja, here, bon. Jaku sapasa, ja, Sanya. Perception, bono, eye contact. Soda sapasa, ja, Sanya. Soda, the ear, sapasa, contact. Ja, here, bon. So the Sanya, which is born from the ear contact, you see, from ear contact. So the commentator is a commentator will give more explanation there. That's why we are not going to explain you about this word, but in brief. So soda is ear, sapasa contact, jabo, Sanya perception. Soda Sapasaja Sanya, perception bono, ear contact. The Gana Sapasaja Sanya, perception bono, nose contact. The Jiwa Sapasaja Sanya, perception bono, tongue contact. Kaya Sapasaja Sanya, perception bono, body contact. Mano Sapasaja Sanya, perception bono, mind contact. So the explanation will be given. The commentary is a commentary there. What is Manasa Pasaja? Ayawajiti Sanya Adida. So each Sanya, each perception here classifying into data here. The Anagada the same, Pajupana the same. Those are the same. So we are not going to read. So Ajada Bheda also the same here. Tata Kadama Sanya Ajata Ya Sanya Tisa Tisa Satana Ajada Pajada Niaka Padipoglika Upadena Jaku Sapasaja Sanya Mano Sapasaja Sanya Ayawajidi Sanya Ajada. So it is also the easy to understand the eternal perception. What is eternal perception? So there are 6 kinds of eternal perception. So external Tata Kadama Sanya Bheda external perception are also of 6 kinds. So that is external. So we go to Olarika Sukuma. Sanya, Olarika Sanya here. Tata Kadama Olarika Sanya, Sukuma Sanya. Padika Sapasaja Sanya, Padika impeachment, you know, sapasa, the contact. So perception bona contact by impeachment here. Padika sapasaja sanya olarika. It is gross. Adiwajana sapasaja sanya perception bona contact by adiwajana. That is subtle. Adiwajana, the will be explained at the supplementary there. So we are now going to hear adiwajana, sada or name, sada or name, adiwajana. So by name, the here sukuma sanya referred to nama khanda. Nama khanda, you know. Sanya, this sanya referred to the arupa khanda. So arupa khanda, the sanya arises together with arupa khanda. Sanya arises together with arupa khanda. So arupa khanda, arupa is not obvious to understand. So the name of the Jeta, if the Buddha does not say or does not name, we do not know Lobha Sagata, Dosa Sagata, Lobha Dosa Moha. Because we cannot see those things, you know. No substance like the matter. The matter we have, but we are body yo. So those are obvious to understand. But the mind, the Jeta, the Jetasika, without given by the Buddha, we do not know the name of those. So adiwajana here, adiwajana means the name, not perception. Bona perception to be known by the name, or perception to be known by the word, sada, the nama, sada nama. The perception to be known by the name, to be known by the word. So if those names or those words are not given by the Buddha, we do not understand. So those are adiwajana. We will say adiwajana. The words also adiwajana, or the name also adiwajana. So perception, born of those. So Badika Sampasa, Badika, a page, the collects all the two things. What to aramana, base or aramana. So there is Badika. That's obvious, the gross. So the sanya arises depending on these, the contact or attachment is gross. Sanya to be known by name or by words is subtle. So you will say Badika Sampasaja Sanya, Adiwajana Sampasaja Sanya. Then we are going to discuss further or in detail according to Atthakatha Etika about Badika Sampasaja and Adiwajana Sampasaja. Time is over today for today. So that's all for today. So we should stop here. So let's
thank you. Yes.
Let's conclude our class by saying Buddha Sasana Jira Tetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Tetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Tetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Tetu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Have a nice day.
Sadhu, sadhu. Thank you so much,
Sadhu.
Sayadaw.
Thank you very much, Sayadaw.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you
Thanks
too,
for listening.
Sayadaw. See you
Okay.
next time, Sayadaw.
See you.